Hey everyone, Ben here with Hochman Fabrication and Speed, and we just finished up this 1987 Land Cruiser. This thing's actually LS swapped and is clean as it gets. Customer is a regular of ours. They brought it in for a custom exhaust system. So what we've done is all sanitary grade stainless, built custom exhaust system. You can see the Y pipe here, which has a custom made Y. We hand make this all in-house, and it's fitted to the vehicle to be better than OEM. We're featuring a vibrant resonator and a vibrant muffler. As you can see, all V-band connections, nice clearances on everything. The bump goes way over where the bump stop is on it, so there's no chance of it hitting the rear end. Finished off with a really nice, tasteful factory plus style tip. As you can see, everything is really nicely back purged and TIG welded. Excuse the material sitting inside of there. That's from our prepping process. And there you go. If you need anything custom fabricated, whether it be exhaust systems, turbo kits, you name it, give us a call, 847-777-1287.